So guys, now we are going to identifying a clickjacking vulnerabilities using a ClickjackPoC. So clickjacking is a web application vulnerability where an attacker tricks a user into an interacting with an invisible or discussed element on a web page, typically by embedded in the targeted website into an iframe. This can lead to an action such as clickjacking button or a link without the user consent. ClickjackPoC is a simple tool used to test whether the website is vulnerable to a clickjacking or creating a proof of concept, a page with an embedded iframe. Now, we would like to look here. Let me just launch this. Now, in this case, allow let me I just go to a Firefox and I just type as a ClickjackPoC GitHub. Now, I would like to get it from a GitHub. So, clickjacking vulnerability. So, this is a clickjacking vulnerability. So, I just entirely just copy this one. Now, let me I just type it as a clear. Now, I just pasted this. Now, first it will clone the repository, then it was install the requirements. Now just type it as plus minus L. Now just type it as clear. Now just type plus minus L. Now just type it as Python 3. Click jack POC dot Python minus minus help. So where you just need to put in the file. So let you just type it as clear. You just type it as nano domains.txt. You just need to put here as https facebook.com. Now you just put here as https x.com, https. I would like to put as something like a little bit, I don't know what else I just put here as GoDaddy, https bugbounty.com, https github.com. That's it. You just type Control O, Control X. Now I just utilize here. I just put here as clear. Now I just type help. Now I just put here as minus f domains.txt. So where it's no have, just type first. Okay, so it's how. Now I just put here as minus f domains.txt. Now, target is forbidden. Testing other URLs in the list. Testing other URLs in the list. All targets fully successful. Now just type list minus L. Now just type it as clear. Now just type cd. Results. Now just type list minus L. Just type cat log.txt. So it was forbidden on timeout. Okay, just go back here. Now I would like to add here as just type here as nano domains.txt. Now just put here as go back HTTP. Just type here as vulnerweb.com. Now just type here as HTTP. Test php dot vulnerweb.com. I would like to try only this testing test. First one. Now we would like to look here. Now generate a test PHP with the code with the HTML in the results where I have got here. Now just type plus minus L. Now just type cd as results. Now just type plus minus L. Here I have an HTML file. Now how you can look at this one? I just type here as open the folder. Now just type where is this? Erasure.html Facebook report. sorry, this is a ClickJack results. Now let me, I just open with the Firefox. Now here you can look here, everything it was loaded. Now let's come back here. Now let me, I just put here as open with the Firefox. That's it. So this is how you can work. So you can try with us another domains. So this concludes the demonstration of identifying a clickjack vulnerabilities in the targeted website using a clickjack POC. That's it here.